All right, guys, I'm out here about to wash this building in the back. Just washed that car right there. About to wash this building. Show y'all how dirty it is.
Is that gonna?
That is dirty. I'm gonna do a time lapse on this. It's gonna look really good. All right, guys, final look at the building. He's super happy. He just cannot believe I was able to get this building clean like I did. There is some oxidation, but tell me not to worry about that. I think I mentioned that earlier. Boom. Looks good. All right, guys, I'm packed up, ready to go. Big Zeus did good, buddy. So I actually upsold him on his driveway. I'm gonna come back tomorrow. I'm going to surface clean his driveway, get it looking good. Then come back in 2 days from now and seal all the cracks with some fresh cement. So guys, upselling is a huge thing. He was so impressed with that building back there. I said, hey man, if you're impressed with that, I can get this driveway looking good. And I threw in cleaning the facing of the house up there for free. And then I threw in cleaning this sidewalk for free once I clean as I'm cleaning the driveway. So total ticket for everything, it's gonna be $1,000. This is easy work, guys. Nothing too extreme. All right, guys, so I got a call last night from, I'm running a Google ad. My first one to ever run, actually, to just try it out, see what would happen. And this guy called me and said, hey man, I have this antique car I want you to clean. Like underneath it's got a lot of dirt and stuff. I said, all right. And he goes, also have this building that no one has ever been able to get clean. I've done it. I blew off the paint. It's dirty again. I don't feel like messing with it. I said he sent me some pictures, and I said I can do everything for $250, my minimum, because I mean it's literally, I was there an hour, made $250. But anyways, so I cleaned his building. He could not believe it, you know. Cleaned his car, and you know that was pretty straightforward. Got that building looking brand new, and I was like, man, if you're impressed with that building, you should see what I could do to this driveway. He's like, you clean driveways? I said, yes, sir. He goes, do you fill cracks? I said, if you pay me for it, I will. He said, so when can you come do that? I said, well, I got a small job in the morning, and I come out here and I can surface clean the driveway, and then Wednesday I have a pretty good sized job, and then I can come back Thursday and fill the cracks, you know, 500 plus the material. He said, you got a deal. So and then I upsold cleaning the front of his house. I cleaned a little section, and he was like, hey, can you go ahead and clean the whole house? I'll give you an extra 150 or 100 bucks, something like that. So total bill is like around $1,000, you know, for about, you know, 2.5 days of work. So I'm happy with that. So yeah, it's been a good day. Great start to the week. I'm going to go home and shower. I'm not too far from the house. And then I'm going to go pass out some flyers. I got a little game plan up my sleeve. I'll tell you all about that later. Once I get going in a little bit, I'm going to go home and eat lunch and come back out in my Acura. I don't want to, diesel's getting super expensive. So I'm going to go home and grab the Acura and drive that around. Hopefully save some gas money. But anyways, guys, good day. Upselling works. Blow their mind with the initial job, and then just start upselling stuff, and they're going to say yes. So, all right, guys. Hope you guys have a good week. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll keep you up to date on surface cleaning that driveway. Scott Lett, Pro Exterior Cleaning.